strong.
Hi, welcome to Skyway Learners. Now we see the question number 6, page number 181 of exercise number 8.1. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Here given is cos A is equal to cos B. To prove is angle A is equal to angle B. Take two triangle, right angled triangle. Let two right angled triangles be ACR and PQB. Here it is right angle. We have to prove this A angle and B are both are equal using the relation cos A is equal to cos B. In this triangle we have to find cos A. In triangle ACR, cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is adjacent to A is AC, hypotenuse is AR. Similarly, in triangle BQP, cos B is equal to adjacent to B is BQ by PB. Here it is given that cos A is equal to cos B. Therefore, both the equations are equal. It is given here cos A is equal to cos B. We can equate AC by AR is equal to BQ by PB. Now let us interchange the numerator and denominator. Let AC by BQ is equal to AR by PB, which is equal to K. Take a constant. Let number this equation as 1. From this equation we can write AC is equal to K into BQ. AR is equal to K into PB. In triangle ACR, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. AR square is equal to RC square plus AC square. Therefore, RC will be equal to root of AR square minus AC square. Similarly, for in triangle BQP, use Pythagoras theorem. BP square is equal to PQ square plus BQ square. That is, PQ square is equal to PB square minus BQ square. That is, PQ is equal to root of PB square minus BQ square. Now we have to find RC by PQ, which is equal to root of AR square minus AC square by root of PP square minus BQ square. We have to substitute the value of AC and AR in this equation. Already we found that AC is equal to K into BQ. AR is equal to K into PB. Let us substitute this AC and AR values here. RC by PQ is equal to root of K into PP the whole square minus, instead of AC we substitute K into BQ the whole square divided by root of PP square minus BQ square, which is equal to root of K square into PP square minus K square into BQ square divided by PB square minus BQ square. K square is common in both the equation, both the sides. So we have to take K square outside. Root of K square into PB square minus BQ square by root of PB square minus BQ square. Root of K square will become K into root of PB square minus BQ square divided by root of PB square minus BQ square. The numerator and the denominator, both the variables are same, so we have to cancel. RC by PQ will become as K. Mark this equation as 2. From first equation and the second equation, we can say that in the first equation this is equal to K. Second equation is also equal to K. So we are equating both the first and the second equations. That is, AC by BQ is equal to AR by BP, which is equal to RC by PQ. RC by PQ. From this equation, we can say that AC by BQ, AR by PB and RC by PQ, they all are in equal proportion. That is, both the triangles are similar. Triangles ACR and BQP are similar triangles. If it is a similar triangle, then we can say that angle A is equal to angle B. Good. If you have any doubts, please do write to us. Thank you.